It's time for unboxing the Kasa 3-outlet smart Wi-Fi power strip, model number KP303. This is a sealed in the box unit. Haven't opened it yet, know very little about it, but I am familiar with the Kasa lineup. I've got lots of Kasa switches and receptacles, so receptacle pass-throughs in my house. Pretty happy with the hardware and the interface. The app is great too. So, okay, so what we got here. It's packaged in a nice, kind of a velvety feeling sleeve. Looks pretty cool. Modern, rounded edges. Little rubber feet on the bottom. That's pretty cool. Won't slide around too much if it's sitting on a hard floor or desk. Got your wall mount screw. You've got 3 plugs and 2 5-volt 2.4 amp USB ports. Nice. All right. Not much else in the box. We have an instruction manual, and we have a little plug protector. Pull that off. We have a twist tie, of course. By the way, I'm going to make this a one-take video. I do not want to edit it. And I've got a plug right down here on the floor I can plug it into. Except the tripod's in the way. Excuse me, tripod. I should note that it has a right angle plug on it, which is nice when you're, you want to put it behind the dresser or the bed or something like that. Of course, the way it's wired, it's going to be upside down, but that's fine, I guess. All right, so we're plugged in, and it has been a while since I've added something to my Kasa app. Let's take a look here. To my security, Kasa. There are some devices here. These two are just unplugged right now. There's my front and back porch. There's an office lamp that I set up. That's got to be like 4 years ago. Still connected. Never been an issue. Never had to reset it. That is plugged in over there somewhere. It's the TP-Link. The forget the model number, but it's the one that does that monitors energy. But that's not for right now. It tracks energy usage as well, which is kind of neat. So I just use it to plug in around the house to see what devices are consuming how much power. Okay, so let's add a device. Now, I haven't done this in a year, at least. So pretty sure we just hit the plus sign. Device. Works with Kasa. Got it. Okay. Smart router switches. I guess this qualifies as a smart plug. And power strip. Look at that. Power strip. Okay, plug in your smart power strip. I already did that. Wait for the light. If I start to blink orange and green. I don't know if you can see that, but it's blinking orange and green. I've got a lot of light on here. Let me dim some light so maybe you can see that better. Orange and green. Okay, good. Next. This might take a few minutes to establish. Kasa wants to use a temporary Wi-Fi network to connect to a device. Yes, connect. Lots of circling. Connection successful. Choose which Wi-Fi. It's going to be this 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. Password's already in there. Connect your Wi-Fi. Go to your phone settings and make sure you are on the 2.4. I'm probably on the 5 gigahertz network. 2.4. You have to be on the same wireless network that you want the device to use. Okay, back. Switch back here. Okay, more circling. I forgot about that fact. The Kasa equipment, I believe, uses mostly 2.4 gigahertz. I don't think it's 5 gigahertz compatible. So you want your phone to be on the same network as the Kasa device is going to be on. All right, look at this. Customize your plug. So I guess this is where you could name your plugs. I'm not going to do that right now because I'm just testing it. So we got plug 1, plug 2, plug 3, and I'm going to hit skip. Congratulations, you've configured your smart power strip and it's ready to use your device list. Sounds good. It actually says sounds good. Sounds good. And firmware update. Look at that. Automatically wants to update. There's new firmware is available for your smart power strip. The outlet will take a few minutes. Oh, right in the middle of my video, of course. Update now. Well, while it's updating, here's how we're going to demonstrate it. Oh, did you hear that? It just clicked and powered off, I think. I don't know if it's on or off. But either way, I'm going to put in these night lights. 1, 2, oh look at that, it's on now. And 3. These are actually 3 different night lights. These 2 are LED and this one has a bulb in it. So, but it's what I had lying around. Okay, let's go back to the app. It says your smart switch, your smart power strip. It's kind of a tongue twister. Your smart power strip is up to date. It might take a few minutes for your device to restart. I think it already did. Done. And welcome to Smart Power Strip. Swipe. Groups, right? This is a way you can group devices in the Kasa app. That's for a different video. Scenes and activities, right? You can create scenes again. That's not what I'm getting into here. This is just for the power strip. And get started. Okay, look at that. So now, on top of the other devices I already had set up here, I've got plug 1, 2, and 3. Let me turn down some more light, actually. You can probably see the lights better now. I didn't realize one of these was incandescent and the other 2 are LED. I thought they'd be they look like 3 of the same. Anyway, doesn't matter. I can still demonstrate it. So, 1, 2, 3. Now, I might be a little biased here because I like the TP-Link product line. I like the Kasa app, and I really haven't used any others. But look at that. 1, 2, 3. The reaction time is instantaneous. Whoops, wrong one. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Anyway, there you go. That is my unboxing demonstration of the Kasa 3-outlet Kasa Smart Wi-Fi Power Strip, part number KP303. Any questions, please go ahead, leave them in the comments below. Of course, if you learned something from this, feel free to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.